Hello, Sheriff's Office.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
I'm having a really bad day.
Okay.
You have my record, police record?
I've got nothing, sir. All we got was a phone call saying you were at a cemetery, which wasn't the case.
Would you call in dispatch or have one more cop come out, please?
Dispatch called me here. What is it you need?
I don't trust anybody anymore.
Okay, well, you called us, so you must need us for something.
And I've had bad experiences.
You're good, sir. So what is it going on? What is it you called us out here for?
Well, I'll tell this. No, I don't know. What did dispatch say?
They told us that you called, said people were after you, you were in the trees, and then a second call came in, you said you were at the cemetery.
Okay.
That's all we've been told.
And are you guys here to like protect and serve my best interests?
I'm here because you called. I'm not sure what it is we can do for you. That's what we're trying to figure out.
I violated probation by doing drugs.
Okay. Well, if all you've done is use drugs prior to us being here, and you're not in possession of any drugs, there's nothing we can do about your probation. I can't violate you for having consumed something prior to my arrival. What is it you need of us right now?
I don't know.
Sounds like from what we got from this gentleman, this isn't where you live.
I'm thinking about moving in. Psychiatric help. Who would you recommend?
Well, it's up to you. Do you want to go? Do you want us to drive you somewhere? Because we can take you to the closest facility if you want to go.
Who would you take me to?
What's that?
Who will you take me to?
From here, the closest place would be the Vines. You ever been there?
No.
Is that something you're interested in? Do you want to go to the facility? Are you thinking about injuring yourself, hurting yourself in any way?
No. I'm thinking about laying here till the stars come up.
55-7. I'm going to be 10-12 with another black male subject in the middle of the field.
Your GPS. Great.
Okay, so what is it we can do for you, sir? If you want to go to a facility to be seen, a psychiatric facility, an ambulance can take you to the hospital. They will screen you. They will ensure that you're in good health so the facility can receive you. And then the facility you can get transported to the facility, and then they will see you on a voluntary basis. Meaning that you'll sign yourself in, you'll say, I'm here for these reasons, and then they will talk with you. And then if there's an actual thing they can provide for you, a service, or they can admit you somewhere, or they can provide treatment, they will do that. You're not giving me a reason to send you there against your will. You're asking to go there voluntarily. And so that's what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to provide that opportunity.
I'm actually screwed.
Why do you say that?
I just got in the middle of something.
Well, you're in the middle of a field right now. That's probably one thing you shouldn't be in the middle of. How did you get here? You walked from where? You're not living out here, so how did you get here?
Have some fun. Step back 20 feet.
Why? Why are you asking me to step back? What's going on? Where are we off to? What's going on? We don't really have any PC for anything at this point. Yeah. Is your car locked? Yeah. No. Whose car is that? I just locked it. Hey! 5507, man. Hey! Stop the car! 5507. Hold the station, man. The subject's inside my vehicle, attempted to take it sedated. Hey!
6585. I'm behind OPD. We're westbound 10th Street.
Westbound 10th Street.
5980. I'm behind you. Let me call it.
You can get a pin on that car. Get a pin on that car. $65.85. I'm out.
Come out. 5980.
I'm behind it. I'm going to try and pit, Marion.
Trying to pit.
Okay, pit. 200 and okay. Pit. Do not let him get out of there.
Tell me your fucking ass!
Pit 200 and I'm okay.
Keep your hands up! Take your time. We got all the time in the world, guys. Watch our crossfire, guys. Watch our crossfire.
We're good. We're good.
Face away from him. Follow the instructions.
Cut them sirens.
Cut them front. We're walking out.
On the ground! I'll go. Gentlemen, I told the cops twice. These guys showed up, and I think the cops were false. There's something going on at the Hilltop Lounge. I think they want to prostitution. Somebody ride with, please. I think they're doing prostitution out there. I accidentally stole the main guy's
Let your hand go!
in 2020.
Let your hand go!
I think I stole his car in 2020. Anyway, I was up there for the last week. They drove me, and I think they have other people in there. I came out and I was listening to the guy talk, and he's like, "Boss, I think this is the guy that stole your car earlier. You want to meet him?" The boss was sitting there.
Listen, roll to your butt.
I'm scared. I've done this before. Right here. I don't trust her. And the guy.
The suspect was later charged with fleeing and eluding a law enforcement officer, grand theft of a motor vehicle, aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, armed burglary of a structure or conveyance. Currently, he remains in custody, awaiting the next steps in his legal journey. The jail records do not indicate any bond amount.